Hello everyone, today my vlog is not about hotels, it's about me and life. It's the last moment in this apartment, and that's the last moment in the apartment that was really important for me because it's the first apartment where I came when I moved to Italy, and it was such a circular plot in life for me because I came back to this apartment. I was 6 years of living in Italy, and I did not come back alone. We came back together with Antonio, and unfortunately it was not an upgrade for me. It was a bit a downshift because we were living in a city center and then we moved to a smaller apartment in another area, which is good as well, but not that central. And I didn't appreciate it, so I think life brought me back. We had to come back because some events in our life didn't go as we expected them to be, especially with COVID. And life taught me to appreciate what I have, and it was beautiful, and it was a beautiful lesson as well. And I'm really grateful to this apartment, to what it gave to me. And now I'm moving to the city center in our apartment with an amazing fireplace. So this is before. That's a kitchen. That's all our stuff. Not yet all. That's look at the ceiling. And they're painting the walls still. I need to finish the walls tomorrow. Here we go. That's the main living room. And there is a huge surprise here. Yay! Wow! I love it. Look at this yellow marble. Super rare as well. Amazing. How cool is that? A lot of windows, so there is a lot of light in this apartment during the day. And here we have bathroom, and this is a very small room, and it's the main room and another bathroom. It's last moments in my old apartment, and yeah, I tried to film something. And I want to thank this apartment for everything I had, for the lesson I learned, and to go forward, to move forward. It's a new house, and here we have a new table that has arrived today, and so much stuff to put on its place and like all to organize and to throw away. We work in progress. So that's before and after.